Hello everyone, today I'm meeting you again from our bicycle shop. Today I'll show you about Chinese bicycle for kids. It is a great bicycle for toddlers from 2 to 4 years old. Please watch all carefully. This is a great guide for everyone when you want to buy a new bicycle for your children in local shop or somewhere that you want to buy. Moreover, if you don't understand some points in this video or have any questions, please write them down. Please enjoy watching, and if you all find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel to get more new videos. To conclude, I would like to thank everyone who took the time to watch my video until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more new videos. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.